Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I guide people on savings, investing, and making money. Today's topic is this: making money as you sleep. I'm in a group where I work, and in this group, there was one of us. We call him Babakiye. And Babakiye was guiding people and telling men and women in the group that they need to get land so that when they retire or when they stop working, they can go back to the village and farm and produce food from that land. And I was challenging him in that group and telling him, you don't need to go back to the village to farm to produce food or to get money and buy food. You can also make money as you sleep. And in my experience in the finance sector, one of the things I've discovered that you can make money as you sleep. If you buy, let's take for example, stock market, you buy shares from the stock market, you can be getting dividends. In fact, one of the latest newspaper articles, Business Daily, quoted James Mwangi of Equity Bank having earned about 700 million shillings, and he earns that money yearly from dividends. Uhuru Kenyatta earns about 1 billion shillings in dividends from his investments in NCBA Bank. The Ndegwa family earns about 500 million yearly from dividends. James Munga earns about 300 million yearly from dividends. So you can be sitting or you can be sleeping and earning money from dividends. So dividend is one way of making money while you sleep. So you can start investing in the stock market, you can start investing in shares. Another way of making money while you sleep is Forex. Not just Forex, but I mean crypto. You can buy crypto, hold long term. As you buy Bitcoin long term, because a while back, Bitcoin used to be $15,000. Right now, Bitcoin is about $70,000. So if you hold Bitcoin long term, then you end up making some money. Another thing you can be doing is lend money to the government. Treasury bills, treasury bonds. Let's say you lend the government 1 million shillings. Every year, the government will be giving you about 13%, 14%, 12%. About out of 1 million, the government will be giving you about 130,000 every year. So as you sleep, you're making money. Another thing that I've discovered and another way of making money is through insurance companies. Every year they give a bonus. I started investing with the insurance company about a year ago, and this month I was given some money, a bonus, it's almost 500,000 shillings in bonus, free money. I discovered this money is far higher than the money you get from SACCOs, than the money you get from dividends, than the money you get from many of these places. And I'm urging you that you can start investing with insurance companies. You can open a savings account and every year you can be getting bonus. If you want to start, please call me. My number is 0720969361. We can have a sitting, we can meet, we can talk, and I can guide you. And I can also show you practically how I've been able to get some of this money. And this bonus is yearly. Another way in which you can be making money as you sleep is if you save your money in the circle. I discovered, and this was some very sweet way of getting to know this, that our circle at work, Chuna Circle, has been giving me some money, and I've not withdrawn this money for 4 years, dividends. And so yesterday I went to the circle and I managed to withdraw some 50,000 because I needed some cash to do a few projects here and there. And so, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to buy land and farm and get money from your land, or produce food for you to from your land for you to be able to eat. You can be sleeping and your money can be working for you. And also, there's also something called annuity for those who are retired. Put your money with the insurance companies and the money just produces for you more money. So you don't have to work to make money. You can be sleeping and your money works for you. If you want to learn more, please give me a call. My number is 0720969361. I repeat, 0720969361. Give me a call. Let's talk. Let's have a sitting. Let's have a face-to-face conversation, and I will guide you, I will help you, and I will help you make money as you sleep. Otherwise, if you like this channel, please drop your comments in the comment section. Like this video so that I can produce more content relating to this. Thank you. God bless you and have a good time.